Hey guys, just got the Strange box. I'm so excited. Okay, let's get right into it. I can't even wait. Let me cut this open. All right, here we go. Ooh, okay, so yellow. Let's see, yellow one up. And looks like there's like a little pamphlet this time. It's kind of stuck on there. Okay, let me get it off without ripping it. And, oh, look at the pin. Oh wow, that's so cool. It's Beetlejuice. Oh my god, I love Beetlejuice. Me and my brother used to watch Beetlejuice over and over and over again. Awesome! Alright, so it looks like, congratulations, one up, and I got a yellow one up. And then here is the little pamphlet that comes now. Alright, let's open this up. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, where do I start? Where do I start? Okay, let's start with this little package. I feel something hard in there. Alright, let's open this up and see what it... Oh wow, that is really cool. That is so cool. This must be like the Alice in Wonderland thing. It's a pocket watch. It's very, very heavy. Holy cow. That is so cool. There's the back and the front, and then it opens. See how this opens. Oh, that is so neat. I love it. That is really pretty. That is really cool. Okay, let's set that to the side. Alright, what is this? So it must be putting the nails into the bat. So there's a bat in here. That's pretty cool. And then it looks like there's some nails that you can stick into the bat right there. Very nice. To go with my Walking Dead bat I won. Awesome. So I didn't stick all the nails through, but just to kind of give you an idea what it looks like. Very neat. Alright, what is this? The dream is real. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, what is in here? It's like a little spin top. And a dice. That's really cool. It's really heavy. Oh, wow, that's really, really heavy. Alright, looks like there is a comic in here. Grimm. Very nice. First issue. Some pumpkins on there. Oh, kiss on the back. Alright, and let's see what else is in here. It's like the last thing in the box. That's a really cool print. Signed. That's really cool. They did that in memory of these awesome guys. I guess you can look through it real quick. Ooh. Signed Dr. Strange. Oh, that's so cool. And then here's the one I got. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, look at all the other pins. Right, so let's look through this real quick. So here is the bat. Must Stranger Things. So it's the Demogorgon. Okay. And then the Alice in Wonderland pocket watch. Alright, let's see. Inception. That's a really good movie. And then I got the one up for the black and white version of the comic. And then it looks like there was 2 different art prints. And then, oh, looks like there was some hats. Oh, it's his hat from the movie Stranger Things. And it would have been signed. So it was a signed replica. That's cool. And that was it. So everything in the box was the art print. I got the 1-up version of the comic. We got the little top set with the dice. We got the Alice in Wonderland pocket watch. The bat. And that was it. That was everything in the box. So hopefully I got another chance. I got another box coming, so we'll see what the next box holds. Maybe I'll get the hat in the next one. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you like this month or not, and what was your favorite item. I really like this pocket watch. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. See you guys. Bye.